The sound went quiet, but the room stayed awake. Dust still floating, like it didn't get the message. I stood where it ended, waiting for the next thing to happen. Nothing arrived, but nothing left. The air kept its shape, like it learned me by heart. Every breath felt borrowed from a moment already gone. I didn't move in case it came back. I didn't speak in case it was listening. The walls remembered what the voice forgot. A soft ringing that wouldn't admit its name. I thought time would help, but time just stayed, sitting with me like it always had. This is the room after the sound. This is where it waits. Not loud enough to call it pain, not quiet enough to escape. This is the room after the sound, where endings stall, and every echo learns how to stay. I checked the door, it hadn't changed, still open, still refusing. The floor held the weight of something finished, and I stood on it like it was solid ground. This is the room after the sound, nothing resolves. The silence hums like it wants more. This is the room after the sound, no one speaks, but something breathes between the walls. I waited for it to fade, it didn't. It just learned how to be quiet.